Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset and check all your dials on your dashboard. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and continue to watch. Okay, so for this one you need to push a little button on the side here. You've got two. I'll show you a quick close up of that now. Right, okay, so before you do this, you've got two buttons. You've got one on the left and one on the right. You need the one on the right. Most of you will have a key, so you need position 2, so your cluster turns on and enters. So we do activate, and push the button in, push for once in my case, push again, everything turns on. On the screen it'll show up test. Then you let go and it enters a garage mode. As you can see, all the dials have punched through. I'll show you a close-up of this. Okay, so if you want to test your dials, make sure they're all calibrated correctly. When you get in your car, you need to select your ignition onto the number 2, so all your cluster lights up. Push and hold this button here, turn it all on, and as soon as it comes up with garage, test, come up test, let go, and let go garage, and then you can select through the menus. And that's everything lit up. See, all your lights, you've got all the codes in there. Okay, and you just go through until the dials move. There you go, see. And if they're out or they shoot over here or under here, you take them off again and you put them, position them a bit more, whichever way they need doing, and then you run through the bulb, the cycle again. Until you get it where it is. Okay, and that is how you test and calibrate your dials on your Mark III Mondeo. Hit that subscribe button if you like my videos, give us a thumbs up for this one.